knowledge of self, understanding of the things around me that becomes the wisdom that I need. Living this life to the best of my ability, channeling energy to my thoughts, attain symmetry. Remember me? Because my pros remain gold. I got the gift of gab like them pimps and cane goals. It never ends. I keep it rolling like a cipher. The first caveman bringing fire, innovating it higher to plasma states. I raise the stakes. It's double or nothing in this vacuum space. I will survive divine to time to cry. Fuck a hole to hide. I'm alive with pride. And I drove the Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Singing this will be the day that I die.
Or whatever. It's like how you say hello, but it's like hello. I'm sorry, that was a bit racist, but like you get the idea.
Yeah. What the hell am I doing? Yeah, I have no idea what's going on for me.
You sounded like a bird. Brendan put like a screaming face in the chat. You went like.
I was like, great, Silky. I have a diamond pickaxe called Salk Touch. Okay. I hear his cack.
This is so awesome.
What if Bad Force TPs to us and we just see those spinning potatoes?
Tell them the Force TP to us.
Hear that. Water bucket.
Still empty, and the only thing that helps is their Chungus song. Hey Daniel, watch
Warning!
this.
There's a dark spot.
No, Dan, just look at me. It'll take literally 1 second. I'm right behind you.
No. They're like walking by themselves.
He's happy.
I prefer.
Oh! Hold up, come over here, guys! Look! Look at this! Oh my god!
Get off.
Come on, get out of the way, I'm trying to take a screenshot. Get out the way. Quinn, your sword is in the way.
I really want to ban to add the loot table where if you were to get killed by another player, you would drop your head. I really want to ban
vanilla.
that
It's
loot
vanilla,
table.
Grub.
We should have the iron golems in like tied to the center and then spin in a circle.
That's so funny, I might even tit her.
Will just said tit?
Okay.
Somebody edit that quickly.
Oh, did...
Look for the Gummy Bear album in stores on November 13th with lots of music, videos, and extra.
I'm gonna stop you. Get over here.
Whoa.
I'm gonna stomp your balls.
So you said hi, Dad. Quinn took your stolen girl. I'm like, what?
Hi, Dad.
No, I can't. I tried to do that. They didn't breed. What?
Yeah, Black Fjorm!
Where are you? Where are you?
Snag Black Fjorm!
Where are you guys?
Snag Black Fjorm!
Where do the comics of large for?
In here? That's kind of funny.
Oh, no.
Come on.
Swim. Go up and increasing. Fine.
Yeah.
There we go, fixed it. See, guys.
Yeah, I'm going.
The simple fix to how to fix water, like a
Dude, oh my god, I'm
Well,
gonna
I mean,
mine. I'm
you
just
just
gonna
get
mine
water,
through.
automatically.
I don't freaking care.
Dream horse.
I am so massively erect.
That's so hot, Grab.
Doesn't mean when I'm told to get a job.
Do you not want a job? Wear one of those casts for your neck so that orange, you know.
You
So,
want
like,
to see me in a cone acting like a dog?
no, that's not what it.
You want
What
to
are
treat me
those
like a dog, Ramen?
neck?
Jokes that
tests?
Ramen would like that.
You want to take me on walks?
No.
Everybody's in place. Go ahead and switch your color to black, Declan. 3, 2, 1, place.
Oh my god!
Let's go! I'm alive. I'm immortalized. Like.
Well, you see, Batman, it's an anime figurine.
Hey, Brennan, who?
An anime figurine, Batman.
Bears.
Batman, you don't seem to understand.
Batman.
They're not the consoles. That's what
Batman,
they're
they're
wearing.
not children. They're 9,000 years old. That does not constitute a child, Batman.
Oh, unbelievably cursed. And that's the pumpkin texture? Is that the pumpkin texture? Jesus Christ. I like, yeah, but no.
I mean, come on. Really funny.
Yeah, no. Oh, ramen's here. Oh god, that was ramen? I just realized.
He literally he spent 2 or 3 hours like looking through Russian like internet threads, and he found details on this dude who has his username. He's trying to figure out how to contact him.
Why?
I just want his account.
Why are you trying to contact him?
What
He
is
wants
this?
his username.
What is this book? Just this 42.
The fox, though.
Yo, get Van in here. He'd know. What Dicko mode?
It's Dicko mode, dude.
Die, it's okay.
I'm getting my new PSU soon, so hopefully I'll be able to plug my monitor back in.
A poop shit unit.
Yeah.
You should eat some food.
I shouldn't eat some food. Are you laughing at the poop shit unit or at
Yes, I am.
Turn around, Daniel.
Where you watch this? Dan, watch this.
Oh my. What?
Oh no.
Oh!
Oh
Yo,
god.
this is kind of Bob. I gotta put this in.
It's Kaon, though.
Oh my god.
Dude, Kaon is so old. Oh my gosh.
Dear god.
Oh my god.
Kill.
Beautiful, Daniel. That's an awesome skin.
It is not beautiful. Base scrub.
Oh, Ramen's here.
Oh, what is. What is Declan? Oh my god. Why is he. Oh my god.
Are you wearing pants?
Whoa!
They're so loud. I hear a million mobs, so I turned on X-ray and looked down there. Hi, fellas.
Let's give you a tour.
Oh.
First of all, grab this is Bulgarian flag. I know it's beautiful.
House.
That was my.
Oh, Discord broke.
Wow. You know, stop there, Grab. I'm gonna show you how a bow works.
Ow!
Kill him. Kill him.
Right.
Damn, kill him.
Alright then. Oh, no, the lag, the lag.
Oh,
I'm perfectly fine with being absolute trash. Oh!
because I want to get in on that action.
What you writing there, gang? Oh god. So many bones. There's more. There's more. They're coming.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It's being dropped off in my micro channel. Nobody cares about it. It's awful. It's 44 megabyte jar. That's evil. Jar should be like a few megabytes at most.
Oh god, I'm so happy we did that one. What block is that?
He is a fade.
Oh my god! Made me jump.
Oh, what are you gonna do about that? Oh shit! Dude, you can't. You can't. Oh.
Just to make you lag.
My computer does not lag.
How to make fire charges.
Oh. Hey Brennan, no, don't use your crystals. Come on, man.
You dumb N-word.
Beam boy, beam boy, beam. You mean the Autobahn? That is not.
And your dog's
Realize they're
constantly
gonna have a
bark.
boat, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Dan, you may want to look up and also be recording. It would be funny. You live? Go on 90, go on the tollway, and hit the back of a tanker truck going really fast and explode.
Ultimate Among Us move.
Okay. Lie there.
Can I hear everything you say?
I have no idea what this is. This is not right.
DT comes over and kneels behind us. He starts to caress his thick rolls seductively. He starts to mumble. Do you want me to put it in already? DTS. I'm not ready yet, Graham says tirelessly. Among Us.
No, go down, boy. Go down, boy.
Okay. Sonic the Hedgehog, one of the greatest, most
Me? It's just my stuff. I could have been back here.
I mean,
and had
see,
this done with.
I got fine.
If you weren't arguing
being
about,
unprepared.
dude, you could have easily.
The fingers.
I need to phase, dude. I need to phase. Whoa.
How did you get in here?
Clutch. Oh my god.
Okay. I want to show you a dupe.
5T.
You're joking.
5B, 5T.
Is it a razor?
You've seen these on Instagram, right?
Right.
These fucking crates are gonna claim more lives than COVID.
If you're running in a race and you pass the person in second place, what place are you in?
First.
Oh my god! I want
Mama.
only Grub to answer this. Okay.
All right. What?
What do Grebtalent and Flame Dragon 61 have in common?
First one.
Being mapped.
Say that
Now,
again.
you gotta focus on yourself now.
I said it once, and that's all I'm
I
gonna
didn't
say.
hear you,
All
I
right.
didn't hear
Fine, I'll say this, and I will never say it again. The only thing me and Robin have in common is pedophilia.
No, that's not
you.
it.
No.
A
Wait,
straw
what?
with suction.
Is that your final answer?
Wait, no, Grab. I even said it was in Minecraft.
You mean a bucket?
I think I don't have VR because if I did, I'd reach through the screen and strangle you women.
Good thing I don't have VR,
usual.
or else I'd reach through the screen.
Oh wait, there's
Computer.
map.
Look
Do
what
what?
Grub put down.
Wait.
I can
Oh my
put down
God.
anything.
Oh my fucking
Is there,
god,
another, is there another side that just says the egg word?
Grab.
Third time you've done this.
Grab.
What is happening?
Dan, I'm pretty sure there's a dolphin up there now, by the way.
Oh,
Oh, damn it.
there we go.
You went up.
Join my island, I guess.
Because you know what you bring? You bring Greb and Ramen. Not intentionally, I'm just saying they follow you like little orbiting planets.
Oh, in that case,
I don't follow Gang specifically. I make a base and then Gang joins me normally, which is
speed.
What the fuck? You just see me.
Oh shit. Oh, where am I gonna go? Oh, shit. Wait, what am I
This can only
doing?
go left.
You're spinning around in the Elytra mud. Am I standing up? No.
I hate to be a bother. Did you did you finish the homework?
it's literally 10:23 p.m. on a Sunday.
How do you have a D- in sociology, Ramen? It's like the easiest class that has ever been made.
Not exactly.
Here,
Why
easy,
did you
easy.
copy and paste, dude? Just like make it.
Yeah.
Just do
Copy it
Control
all.
Shift V. That's how you.
Prone! Baby, prone!
Baby,
Prone!
prone!
Prone! Prone! Prone! Prone! Baby, prone! I'm trying!
What the fuck?
I don't have a monitor plugged in. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I can't remember what my prone button is. I thought I was pressing C. I was pressing C.
Flowers in the same. Hey, nice picture, man.
This is
Oh,
only
look how
applicable
long
when I'm with these people.
I love how long it takes to load the flower.
Yeah, you should effects.
Look at him! Look at him! He's got little eyes.
Look at the barrels.
Wait, open one. all of the bamboo is blue. Do you guys have flint and steel?
How do you? Yeah, please
right
don't
there.
burn down. Please don't burn down my entire jungle. That was the thing. Check how goofy is that, Ron?
Dare Goblin. You want to answer? Is
No! What?
Yeah, only specific people are allowed to answer
Wait, you little creature.
There we go. Oh, you're a fishing pole man. Maybe your fishing pole is good and you'll give it to me. No? No, you won't.